Hey there, Houston homeowners. Imagine this. You found your dream home. The paperwork is ready, but suddenly, bam, the appraisal comes in lower than expected. Don't worry. I've got your game plan to tackle this real estate hiccup. First up, low appraisals happen. It's not the end of the road. Your first move? Review that appraisal report. Check for errors or outdated comps. Sometimes, a simple mistake could be costing you big time. Next, you can gather evidence for a higher value, like recent sales in your area or improvements you've made to the home. Submit this to your lender and ask for a reconsideration. It doesn't always work, but it's worth a shot. If that's a no-go, consider. See if they're willing to lower the price to match the appraisal. Or, if you're selling, be open to negotiating with buyers. Flexibility can save the deal. Another option, if you can afford it, covering the difference between the appraisal and the purchase price could keep the sale alive. Lastly, consider sometimes a fresh appraisal from a new lender can come in higher. It's a bit of a hassle, but it could make a big difference. So, there you have it. Low appraisal doesn't have to mean a lost deal. Review, challenge, negotiate, bring cash, or switch lenders. Stay proactive and you'll navigate this bump in the road with ease. Hit that like button if you found this helpful and subscribe for more real estate tips. Catch you in the next video.